Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can create an app icon or a website icon using Canva. And surprisingly, this is much easier than most people have thought. So in order to do that, you have to open a brand new document, and I do recommend to start with a Square-ish document. This is, for example, an Instagram format, which is 1080p by 1080p, but you can also create something smaller like 600 pixels or 500 pixels. Basically, it has to be square because it's just the standard dimension for logo and icons. So after that, what you need to do is you have to create some sort of background for the icon later. Now I'm going to visit the elements menu right here, and on the shapes option you could choose either square or circle as the background, and usually square is used square with a rounded corners. I think either circle or rounded corners can work best. It's something that you could decide. It's totally up to you, but I guess I'm going to stick with this one with square with rounded edges. Now I'm going to enlarge this icon, this background. Okay, now it's matching the size of the canvas, and also I will increase the count rounding to 100 to maximum. And for the background, it's something that I guess I'm going to select this color. This is probably not the best, but that's all right. So I'm going to select this color, gradient color. You can also select your own color. You can use a solid color if you want to, but I think this color is fine. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is you can adjust the gradient of this, the color of the background. I think I'm going to stick with this one. Okay, now I'm going to insert the logo or the icon. If you have the file or the logo on your computer, you could upload the file to Canva. But for now, for just illustration, I'm going to find some logos using Canva, and surprisingly, there are so many options out there. So go to the graphic section, and then here you see there are so many logos that I could try. I guess I want to use this one because I think it looked awesome. Okay, it's A and G, and I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it bigger and make sure it is placed precisely in the middle. And sometimes some graphics can have its color change. You can go to the color menu and you can change the color to, let's say, white, and I think it looks even better. So that's one way to do that, but I think I want to add some shadow. The problem is this is not something that you could add shadow easily. There are some elements that cannot have a shadow. So one alternative is you can duplicate the file, and this is going to be the background or going to be the shadow. I'm going to change the color to black, and I'm going to put it on the back, and let's reduce the transparency to around maybe 10%. And I'm going to send this item to the back. Right click and send backward. Okay, now we have a logo that is kind of 3D because there is a shadow. And when you are done with the logo, you can click share and click download. And I do recommend to use PNG and enable transparent background because we just want to get this nice rounded corner on the logo or on the icon. For that, you can click download and see what's going to look like. Okay, I'm going to open the file on my browser. Let me open it, and there you have it. This is the logo that we just created using Canva. It literally only takes 2 or 3 minutes to finish. And anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.